Hi everyone, my name is Nick Russo and welcome to my course on consuming Cisco APIs and understanding application DevOps. This content is perfect for individuals who love hands-on examples and practical application but don't know where to start. In this course, we'll cover a variety of topics such as writing Python code to interact with popular Cisco product REST APIs, using software development kits or SDKs, exploring a variety of cloud and virtualization options, Docker container fundamentals and use cases, DevOps principles and continuous integration pipelines, and modern web application security. After completing this course, you'll be able to write, test, and maintain high-quality Python API interaction scripts for whatever business project comes your way. Before beginning this course, I'd recommend the following prerequisite course. This Getting Started course covers important contextual topics surrounding software design, source control, and the construction of a simple web application that we use extensively in this course. You'll want to watch it first to best follow the business scenario. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about consuming Cisco APIs and understanding application DevOps with this course at Pluralsight.